What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving in to look number 3 of our spooky season. I was totally inspired by the Wet n Wild Circus Savage campaign. They have a particular character that is a trickster, and this is my version. So I don't really know if we are 100% trickster, because this is giving me vibes like I am a billionaire and I'm going to play cards in a clandestine, super private island. At least this was what it says to me. But are we loving the look? If you want to learn how to recreate this super easy bedazzled last minute maybe Halloween costume, keep on watching. I just felt like we needed that in our lives. All right, so final thoughts. If I went back in time and recreated this look, I feel like I picked up a couple of tips that would have changed the direction of this look. I do love the turnout of the look, but I felt like there was certain things that made me end up here. For example, when I went in with the stencils, okay, the eye stencil here, I went in with the paint pot first, and then I decided to rip it off, and that was a mistake. I feel like the tip that I would give if you're using the stencils and you decide to do the paint pots, as you can see on my oily lips, this can be a problem. So I would go in with the paint pot and then go in with the powder to kind of like set it and then carefully rip it off, because if you don't, you're gonna end up with extra that you did not want on the outskirts of the stencil. So that's why I kind of went into the zombie era or realm around the eyes, just because there was no way to fix this look. Once you get dark eyeshadow or black eyeshadow outside of the stencil, this is pretty much what we're going with. So again, if I could do this again, I would probably opt out of creamy products if you're not going to set them. If you are going into a Halloween party, I would probably switch this out to maybe a matte eyeliner to do the stencil and just not worry about it. As far as the rhinestones, which is the majority of the amazingness of the look, I went through about 4 packs. So if you are interested in bedazzling this type of look, just make sure that you buy enough rhinestones to make sure that you have enough of the color that you need, and just roughly kind of calculate based on the picture information how many you're gonna need. But for something like this, I went through 4 packets, okay? And allowing some of them to kind of die on the way and get the hang of it, and then just kind of like put them on. So I really enjoyed the turnout of this Trickster billionaire glam look right here. If you love this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any of this Halloween goodness. Also, make sure to follow me on all my social media at MUA Karla Trevino, where I share with you tips and tricks on makeup, fashion, and lifestyle, because we always want to look good on a budget. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.